Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to look at blocked numbers on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see blocked numbers on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Scroll down and click on the phone app. Just scroll down, click on phone app. Now you want to scroll down until you get to blocked numbers. So just scroll down, locate and click on blocked contact. Then if you have any blocked contact on your iPhone, you should see the blocked list here. Again, if you want to see blocked numbers on FaceTime, all you need to do is go ahead and open the FaceTime application under apps. Then scroll down FaceTime, and then here, locate and click on blocked contacts. Then you should see the list of all your blocked contacts under FaceTime application here. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to look at blocked numbers on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.